Today I'm releasing my brand new premium lesson, Mixing Symphonic Folk Metal. This one is for everyone who's been asking over the last 4 years, what's up with the background music on your show? The song in question is called The Flight of the Winged Hussar by the band Protocol, and I got the chance to take them up to the Union Sound Company in Toronto to retrack the drums and some of the vocals. And this one's got pretty much everything going on in the mix. Metal guitars and drums, of course, but there's also a dense layer of synth parts and a real recorder solo. Now what's more, this is my first lesson featuring vocals. We got screaming vocals, black metal vocals, gang vocals, and even female operatic vocals. With 75 tracks and over 7 hours of video, this is the most ambitious and complex lesson that I've ever done. I break down the entire process from tracking drums in a beautiful top-tier studio, to editing them, to reamping guitars and EQing the different elements in the mix to make them work together better. We also take a look at my bus compression and mastering methods and how to rebalance a mix once the tracks start piling on top of each other. There's also a premium version of this lesson which includes my signature impulse response pack from Lancaster Audio, as well as an hour-long lesson on how I mix with impulses instead of real guitar cabs. You can get your copy over at ProMixAcademy.com. I'll have a link in the description below. Thanks for checking it out.